Understanding Manual Upgrade, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, manual upgrade. This is a common term you might encounter in various contexts, especially in technology and customer service. So, let's dive in and make this concept easy to understand. The phrase, manual upgrade, consists of two words, manual and upgrade. Manual refers to something done by hand or involving physical effort, as opposed to something automatic or computerized. Upgrade means to raise something to a higher standard, typically improving its quality or performance. Put together, a manual upgrade involves actively improving or enhancing something, usually through a process that requires human intervention rather than an automatic update. 1. Technology. When you update your software manually by downloading and installing the update yourself, rather than the system doing it automatically. 2. Customer service. When a service representative upgrades your flight seat or hotel room upon request, rather than an automatic system upgrade. 3. Work environment. Manually upgrading equipment or tools in your workplace to improve efficiency. These examples help to illustrate how manual upgrade is applied in different scenarios. Understanding why a manual upgrade might be necessary is crucial. Control. Manual upgrades allow more control over when and how an upgrade occurs. Customization. They can be tailored to specific needs or requirements. Reliability. Sometimes, automatic updates might fail, making manual intervention necessary. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of manual upgrade. It's a useful phrase that appears in many areas of our daily lives. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and happy learning!